we're gonna be making a taco meat filling, but with a little bit of a twist. We're gonna volumize the typical meat filling with some riced cauliflower. Let's begin. For this recipe, we'll need half a pound of ground meat. You can either use extra lean ground beef or bison in this case. 2 cups of riced cauliflower, some chopped red bell pepper, green onions finely chopped, and then over here I have some spices. I have some sea salt, garlic powder, cumin, and smoked paprika. Feel free to use store-bought taco seasoning if you wish. It's been about 5 minutes now, so we're gonna add in the rest of our vegetables. Our bell pepper and our green onions. Just stir to toss, and it's time to fill. Now, if you want to make this vegetarian, which you could, you can actually use the gardein beef crumbles or meat substitute in place of the ground bison that I have in here. All right, and now it's time to fill your tacos. You can also put it into either a soft tortilla. We're gonna make them bite-sized today, and then a little bit of a garnish. And voila, volumized taco meat. And there you have it. Simple, volumized taco meat filling. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. And until next time, relish every bite.